Keeperstop.com Goalkeeper glove review of the Uhlsport Tensiongreen Supergrip. The Uhlsport Tensiongreen Supergrip Palm is an innovative super grip foam. This is a high-end, performance-level game latex, but with increased durability. The black high grip elements actually do increase the durability. You also have a denser palm. So anytime you have a little bit more density, it does increase the overall durability. Is this a game glove? Of course, but it's going to be a more durable game glove at the highest level because of the super grip palm. The Uhlsport Tensiongreen Supergrip does not have finger protection. It does have a really comfortable body and fit because of the neoprene glove. And that's that material that I'm pointing to here. The blacks, the whites, and the little bit of the gray. And it's combined with latex elements as well. And that's for style points, but also for function. We have the shock zone area, and that's an integrated high rebound foam for optimal punching area and cushion. Great look as well with the fluorescent greens, the blues, the grays, and the grays and blacks and whites and the textile. So really is a very attractive and great fitting glove. Another great aspect of the Tensiongreen Supergrip by Uhlsport is the palm cut. It's a unique palm cut, and this was introduced last year and the blue version was out, but we have a flat palm here. So we all know with a flat palm, we have increased surface area to catch the ball. It's just the biggest finger patch. But what Uhlsport has done is they've taken away some of the extra material that's involved with a flat palm to make it very ergonomic while still providing the biggest finger patch, the biggest catching area for that ball. So we have the wrap over pointer finger, and we have the wrap over pinky, as well as the side wrap. And that all pulls the latex in as well as the wrap on the thumb. So these are attributes that bring the material closer. But we also have the backhand material, and some flat palms can be a little bit bulky in the backhand. So what Uhlsport has done is you can see you have the flat palm stitch here, but then we start to get into a negative stitch here. So it pulls that material inside, a latex gusset, pulls it inside so it fits your backhand very tight, like it's a part of your hand. So I have really great control for a flat palm glove. So I really think this is one of the most comfortable gloves on the market. And again, you have an ergonomic stitching in the fingers and as well as the wrist to keep your hand in a proper catch ready position. This does give you exceptional latex to ball contact, but also really nice custom fit. At Keeperstop, we're huge fans of the Uhlsport Tensiongreen Supergrip wrist closure. So I've taken one off just so you can see. So you have a semi-elastic strap, that's the blue area, is elasticated area, with the latex being the green, and you can go ahead and customize it and pull it to you as you see fit. You also have this easy entry area, which is the blue area, so you can see it's stretchy. So I'm gonna put it on for you. And another great feature that goes unnoticed is there's no Velcro there, so you're not gonna damage the parts on the other hand that are exposed to it, because a lot of times you can deteriorate the latex. So it fits like it should. It's tight enough where there's not a lot of extra room, but it's also elasticated enough where I can go ahead and create a custom fit. So I want to go ahead and pull that tight so it covers the other Velcro strap, and I even have that overhang so I can go ahead and take it off with ease as well. Keeperstop is going to give the Uhlsport Tensiongreen Supergrip huge thumbs up. One of our favorite gloves of 2018 in the first half. Super grip latex. So you're going to have a great balance of grip and durability at the highest level. This is an advanced level glove for that premier goalkeeper, pros or college. This is the best of the best, and this is why you pay a higher price or a premium for the glove, because it has great technology as well as great patented features to the glove. Super comfortable neoprene glove body, the easy entry system, the revolutionary cut with the flat and negative cut characteristic that really do give it a custom feel. So if you're a goalkeeper that wants that all-weather experience at the game level, I would look no further than the Tensiongreen Supergrip. It does fit true to size. This is size 9. I do have the appropriate room at the top, a slight pinch, which would be about 1/4 inch. So if you have any questions on the Tensiongreen Supergrip or any other Uhlsport goalkeeper glove, contact Keeperstop.com.